Normal life was severely disrupted across Jampuijala and Takarjala areas on Tuesday following a 12-hour bandh called by the Tipra Motha. The strike was organized to protest the arrest of party supporter Ranjit Debbarma, leading to widespread road blockades and a security presence. The call for the shutdown comes in response to the arrest of a Tipra Motha supporter, which the youth wing claims was based on fabricated charges. From early Tuesday morning, Tipra Motha supporters took to the streets, burning tires and placing obstacles on major roadways. The demonstration brought the vehicular movement to a standstill, leaving many commuters and local residents stranded. Protesters were seen chanting slogans demanding the immediate and unconditional release of their colleague. Reported by Raju from Jampuijala, Chini, Khorang.